guys, SPC Hanover 8947 here. And today is Friday at 7:28 p.m. or 1928 on Christmas Day 2020. And let me just make sure this place is secure. And this will pretty much be the last video of Christmas Day, because we have one more thing to do. Yesterday, it was my Emerson alarm clock's birthday. Today is my WR190's birthday. Because a year ago today, I got this radio. And a year ago from yesterday, I got that alarm clock. So, you know what we have to do? We need to fool around with each of them. To wish them, thank you for their first year in service. So, sorry, I can't be playing this stuff. Yep. So that pretty much will be this, but this will be.
Here are the 7 p.m. conditions in the Harrisburg area. In Harrisburg, light snow was falling.
Let's see at the weather.
The temperature was 28 degrees, the dew point 19, and the relative humidity 69%. The wind was west at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 25, producing a wind chill of 16. The pressure was 29.81 inches and rising. At York, snow flurries were reported. The temperature was 25 degrees, the dew point 13, and the relative humidity 60%. The wind was west at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 20, producing a wind chill of 13. The pressure was 29.81 inches and rising. Now, a few other local conditions. Lancaster, light snow 28. Reading, cloudy 29. Selinsgrove, cloudy 24. Williamsport, snow flurries 25. Allentown, cloudy 30. Elsewhere around Pennsylvania at 7 p.m. Philadelphia, cloudy 32. Pittsburgh, snow 16. State College, snow flurries 19. Altoona, cloudy 18. Bradford, light snow 18. Erie, snow 21. Scranton, mixed precipitation 28. Now some conditions to the south. Washington, D.C., cloudy 26. Baltimore, mostly cloudy 28. Once again, in Harrisburg, it was 28 degrees with light snow, and at York, it was 25 degrees with snow flurries. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Okay.
Station WXL 40.
So, that's my 120 over there. Right there. And we are not going to be blasting any alert tests, but we will just do the button beeps on these radios. So, oops.
No hazardous weather is expected. Some locations.
So pretty much, I guess we'll just do a channel scan with the button beeps. So let's go ahead and do that.
Tonight to a crest of 25.5 feet. Tomorrow. Impact.
There we go. Excuse me. And this is pretty much celebrating the radio's birthday first. You guys can't really see this display screen anymore. Sorry about that, guys. Whoop. The alert tone is not loud. We'll do it on here. So,
Protected by the flood wall and levee system.
excuse me.
The flood warning remains in effect. The flood warning continues to the Swatara Creek above Middletown until further notice. At 11:15 a.m. Friday, the stage was 9.1 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet.
Here we go.
Flooding is forecast.
Whoops.
Flood stage late this afternoon and continue rising. Riverside Recreation Area is also. Cloudy until midnight. Both banks over.
Thought I got WWG52 for a second.
Flood warning.
Okay, so it's pretty much, that is my 300. And we will go ahead and do something else with the radio, or alarm clock. So pretty much we'll just put it on dimmer, put it on somewhat dimmer, and put it on the brightest. Now what we gotta do is we gotta switch time zones with it. Holy crap, it's only 2:30 and it's already dark? Wow. Okay, well. Oh, yuck. 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 We are in Eastern Daylight Time now. Don't want that yet. Eastern Standard Time, please. Thank you. So pretty much I don't know what else to do with this radio. I do have a 2-minute timer.
Everything you need to do it yourself, including expert help and advice from Brent and his team.
So pretty much all you have to do is Christmas Day, 2020. So I pretty much, I can turn on the alarms if I want. That's at 7:55 in the morning. That's up for 7:50 in the morning. So pretty much, I'm not sure what else to do with this radio because all it does is it doesn't do NOAA. It does AM, FM, or no, it only does FM. So I'm not sure what else to do with this radio. I know. So I'm not sure what else to do. So setting an alarm, I might work, but I don't want to risk it because it might take too long. So we'll watch it change to 7:36 for the Emerson alarm clock. Let's watch it set to 7:36. Should go 7:36 just about right now. And there it went. So, oh, I know what we forgot to do. We forgot to just pretty much do the 120. Let's celebrate the 120. Let's thank the 120 also by flipping through stations. Let's thank the 120 for first year in service.
Some evacuations are necessary.
So it can't get KCV3, 300 can, which, whoopsie. See what happens if I turn the light off. Yeah, I can't really get that station anymore.
Also flooded. Intact.
Let's try WXK97. Yeah, they can't really get that. And WWG52, not really coming in.
The island begins to be curtailed. River incident.
So pretty much, that was my Emerson alarm clock's birthday, which was yesterday, and my WR120's birthday, which was today. I don't need this antenna up anymore. And I'm sorry, 120, your faceplate comes off now, but I guess it is what it's got. I guess it is what it is. So hopefully, this radio will not break its faceplate. Hopefully, nor this one. Hopefully nor this one. So I hope you enjoyed. And this thing's faceplate is already somewhat coming off. You can kind of see what it looks like in there. So I'm not gonna pull it off because I don't want to break it just yet because that came from my grandparents. Oh yeah, I never pushed a button on this thing. There we go. Okay, well, this pretty much is SPC Susquehanna's radio. Excuse me. This literally is the radio that SPC Susquehanna has. So, I hope you enjoyed. And let me show you something. It snowed. As soon as I get this pencil out of the window, I can show you that it snowed a little bit. Huh? Is that moon up there? Yeah, a little bit. There it is. It's up there. So, that's all the snow that we have right now. So, I hope you enjoyed. And that'll pretty much be it. Alright. Anyway, that'll be it.